friends, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel, and today we will show you how to collab post on your account on Instagram. So let's go to the body. First and foremost, let's open our app and collaboration. Collaboration means that the published post will also be added to the profile page of the account you tagged, and the number of likes will be summed up, which is really very cool and convenient. So how to create this collaboration? We just need to go to the post created mode. Let's tap on the plus icon at the top of our profile and choose post. I want to select one of the possible images from my gallery app and tap on the next 2 times. Later, we need to go to the Tag People section and choose the second option to invite collaborator. Using the search bar at the top, we need to find an account, a user we want to tag and we want to collaborate with. I want to do it with the Reset Heart. Yes, to this one, Reset Heart 59. This is our second account, and let's change the location of our created tag. I will use this place and pick on the done key at the top, share, and wait a minute before the uploading. So as you can check, the created post was smoothly saved on our profile. Let's tap on it and we have the edit tag. Everything works, but to have this collaboration completed, we just need to go to our second account, Reset Heart, and we have the notification that another user adds my tag. Here we have this new notification, and we need to pick on the review to save this collaboration and accept our collaboration on the appeared pop-it up alarm notification. Wait a minute too, and after that our collaboration will be really saved and so smoothly work. As you can see here, we have that 2 accounts, 2 users collaborate and have this one post on different on each of the profiles. So as you can see on our second account, Reset Heart 59, we already have this newly created post, which is the collaboration of our first account, QWERTY. And after clicking on the name of the users, we can smoothly switch to another account and another. And it's really very cool because, as I said before, the number of likes will be summed up, and also our followers will can and are able to smoothly go to our first account, and in this way we can share our followers and it's collaboration work in this way. So if you like this tutorial, if it was understandable and needful for you, let's click on the likes below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we will show you even more cool secrets about the Instagram and other apps. And have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.